This one?
It's a cooler cap.
Probably want that on there too.
How would we kill it?
Clutch.
I can't install it.
Yeah, you can. Clutch.
I don't have a chain.
Yeah, then. I don't know, you just guess. I mean, pull the spark plug out.
Pull the spark plug out.
Where's the spark plug?
I know where it is. Just pull right there.
Can you grab it easy? I don't know where the gas tank cap is. I didn't take it off.
Like, right there. How's the gas tank leak?
It's probably a line.
No, it's like literally leaking out the gas.
Nah, it's out of a line.
No, it's not, because the line's under everything and it's leaking from the top of the line. There, right?
You got stuff coming out the back there. Mad radiator leak. Radiator leak.
Out of the back?
Yeah.
Out of here?
Yep. Mad radiator fluid just came out of there.
That'd be the bottom end.
No, that would be a top end because the bottom end doesn't go through the cylinder.
Maybe.
It's the only way. Alright, let's drain the gas then. Well, it's running, but you got a water leak, and I got it on film if you don't believe me.
Let's start it again.
Okay. Did you kill it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool switch works.
Yeah.
Alright. It sounds good.
Give me the stand. Started first kick.
Not really.
You gotta make sure that you don't put it too far back.
Right here?
Yeah, that's good.
My foot on it. Hold on. It's like the bike runs. I mean, if you call leaking
The motor turns over.
leaking every possible fluid and running, then yeah, it runs. Take the gas tank off and